Hi everyone, today I'm going to use this sponge spa headband. I bought it from Amazon. In this it is mentioned that we have to use it for 7 to 8 hours, but really I don't have that much patience, so I'm going to use hair dryer for this. So first I'm going to use some hair protecting spray to protect my hair from heat, and then I'll comb my hair properly. And now it's the time to use this sponge spa headband. In this package you get one clip and two rubber bands to secure your hair. So now let's try it. So first we need to keep the headband like this. Hair tying process is very easy, everyone can do. So you have to tie your hair like this, and then you just secure this with this rubber bands. It's almost done, and we have to keep this for 7 to 8 hours, but I really don't have patience, so I'm going to use hair dryer to dry my hair to see how it works with the hair dryer. So now it is done, so we are going to dry it with the hair dryer. এমনি দেখতে ভালো লাগছে, একদম কুইন কুইন ফিলিং হচ্ছে. So now this is the time to use hair dryer. See, my Fiona has come. See, it's so cute, so adorable. So let's dry it. So I'm doing it little fast. It's almost dried. I'll take a little break with my kids. They are coming. One more is coming. Ma. He talks ma. Ma. They're my two kids. Now is the time to see the result. I am really excited, very excited, and I don't know what is going to happen. But the thing is, my hair is very straight and it's really difficult to curl. You can see my hair is a little wavy. Nothing more than that. That's it.